Hi there, Lisa Casey here. This is how to schedule your weekly planner, your weekly learning path to post automatically 5 p.m. on Fridays so that you don't actually have to work at 5 p.m. on Fridays. So to do so, I'm going to start in my weekly planner, my learning path for the upcoming week. And once I have this all ready to go, I'm going to click up here and double check to make sure that it is shared so that anyone on the internet with this link can view. You might need to come in here and change it because I want my parents to be able to see this, even if they're not logged in with their student's Bremerton account. So we want to make it as accessible as possible. So once we've changed that, we're going to go ahead and copy this link. And we are going to put it in a new assignment on Google Classroom. So we'll create an assignment. We'll call it Weekly Learning Path, September 14th through the 20th. And then we can add our weekly learning path from Google Drive, or since I just copied the link, I'm going to paste it right there. Remember, in order for parents to see this attachment, we have to include it up here as well. So I'll say something like, parents, please click here. So parents can access this link up here. Students have access to the link down here. And now we are ready to schedule it. So when we create assignments, they appear on the calendar when they are due. So if I post something on Monday and it's due the following Sunday, it appears on that Sunday date. Now that can be especially confusing for this weekly learning path because if it appears on the Sunday, September 20th, that it's actually due, it's really supporting our students for the week before then. So to help work around that, we're going to change the due date. And instead of Sunday, September 20th, when it is actually due, all this work, we are going to schedule it to be due Friday, September 11th. Because if it's due on this Friday, it will appear here on the calendar, and parents and students will know to look here for their upcoming week's materials. So we'll schedule it for Friday, September 11th, and I need to leave the time blank. I'm going to pick a topic, week 3, September 14th through 18th. I'm going to make it ungraded. And then up here at the top, if you click this arrow next to assign, you have the ability to schedule your assignments. So I will schedule it to post Friday, September 11th at 5 o'clock p.m. If I click this button here to schedule it, it will automatically post to Google Classroom and then be updated on my calendar on my website, Friday, September 11th at 5 p.m. But I want to show you now what it looks like on my calendar if I actually post it. So instead of waiting till Friday, September 11th, I'm going to assign now. So we can look at my website and see what that looks like. All right, so we're on the website on a parent view. Let's refresh to make sure it's up to date. Friday, September 11th, there it is, weekly learning path. So for the week, September 14th through 20th, this upcoming week, parents and students now are able to see and click on this link here and see all of our plans that we have scheduled for our upcoming week. We created this as an assignment in Google Classroom, which means that students have the ability to mark as done. So I would recommend also instructing your students, teaching your students to click mark as done as soon as they've seen our weekly plans so that it's an indication to you of who's paying attention and who knows what's up and coming and maybe who you need to touch base with. So that is how you can schedule your weekly learning path and how you can post in Google Classroom so that it appears on the right day on the calendar and so your parents also have access. Thanks for watching.